Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing the BMW F Series performance pedal upgrade on my BMW M135i. But this will apply to all the F Series range. Now these pedals I will link in the description below, and I'll also pin it to the comments for you guys to go and check it out. These can also fit some of the E Series cars, but just be sure to make sure they actually fit, because I know a lot of people go and buy them and then find out they actually don't fit properly and end up coming off. So just be aware of that. Now the ones I'm going to be installing is not the genuine BMW ones, and that's purely because when I was looking at them, the genuine BMW ones are actually made the same way as the cheaper set. Not only is the cheaper set easier to install with no drilling, it's actually all they've done with the cheaper set is just drilled it already on for you, so they can literally just be put on. But with the other set, you need to do a lot of drilling through the rubber pads when you put them on before you can put the metal piece on. But we are going to go outside and I am going to go ahead and do that. Now I do know a lot of the M440i's and a lot of the newer F Series were fitted with these pedals, so we're going to go out and install them to my BMW F20. So let's get on to this video.
What? Goddamn, get it done, will ya? Woo. When the blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you.
So if you can see right here, these are the pedals covers that we've actually got, and these just actually slip on. This one also slips on right here, which will be the brake cover. And then we've also got this one, which is the footrest, which goes up here. This one has got a backing seal on it, so we're gonna have to peel it, obviously to not let it get scratched or anything in transport. So we are gonna go ahead and remove that and then fit it. But as you see, these ones just slip on. You will have to remove the rubber from the brake pedal round here, which we'll go ahead and do in a minute, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay guys, so we're gonna open the accelerator pedal first off. Just open that up. Now what we're going to do is just install the accelerator pedal cover. So with this one, it's just a straight fit of putting it on and sliding it down, which then it fits into place just like that. Now the brake pedal one, you just want to take the rubber piece off, grab it from round. Then you'll get your brake cover. And then what you're going to want to do with this one, you're going to have to be very careful, because you're going to want to pull it out. And if you can see there, that's now installed on that side. So that's the two of them already installed. Now we're just going to do the footrest. Now if you can see here, footrest's got some kind of white backing protector on it, which we're going to just remove. If you see that, just peel off very easily, just like that. Just want to peel it all off, just like that. Make sure it's all off. Then you've got adhesive pad tape right here. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is lift up your carpet and move it out of the way. Sorry about the mess in here. This car needs to be hoovered. Then what you're going to want to do is peel the adhesive tape right here. Once you've peeled that, this is where you have to be very careful. Make sure you get this in position. So we're just going to clean that and move it out of the way. Then what you're going to want to do is just make sure you get this fully in position. So right there, you can see there, we've now got that stuck on there, but that is now fitted and installed. Now to say these pedals look much nicer is truly an understatement. These pedals look really, really good now, and I'm so glad I actually did this change. This was a very, very cheap upgrade. I believe it only cost me £20 for actually all the three pedals, and obviously the footrest cover to actually change them over, but it was so worth it. Just look at the difference it's actually made to the pedals. It's gave it that much nicer M Sport feel inside the car, and a lot of the M140s I believe do come with these as standard from the factory. So that's why I've actually done this, and I'm glad now to have this upgrade done on my BMW F Series. As I said, they will be linked in the description below and pinned to the comments for you guys to go and check them out and buy them if you fancy buying them. Okay guys, so as you've seen now, I've now shown you how to upgrade your pedals on your BMW F Series to the performance style pedals. Now, as I said, this does apply to all F Series, and you can get them if you do have an F Series for your F10, F20, F30, whatever you have, it will fit and work. Just make sure you get the correct ones for left-hand drive or right-hand drive cars, as you don't want to get the wrong ones, as they won't fit. Now, as I've also said, this can work for some E-Series, probably later on from 2010, 2011. So if you do want them for the E-Series, do look around, because they may actually do them for the E-Series also. So thank you very much for watching, guys. And like I said, if you do want to purchase these pedals, you can find them in my description box and also in my comments below. So thank you very much for watching. It's BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.